Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at the G200 video light professional setup, and I'm excited to review this, so let's get unboxing. So I absolutely love this. They got a little name tag area so you can put whatever you want in there. It comes in this nice professional protective harder slash soft shell case. Wow, take a look at this. Spots for putting different pamphlets and different things. Okay, so let's go over a couple things here. You got a couple options with this. So this just simply easily mounts on here. Now, of course, we need to take off the lens and go from there, but you can easily mount that on. So to take off the lens cover, you press the black button in, twist, and it pops right open. And then for this, pop it in, twist, and it makes it tight. Built-in cooling fan. Adjustable, so you can place this on a tripod and you can fully adjust it. Now this did not come with the tripod, so keep that in mind. But the nice thing about these are you can put it through any pole tripod. You just stick it down and then you tighten it up. Wow. I'm actually very impressed with this quality. I can't wait to test this out. Okay, so now let's go ahead and plug everything in. You're going to take your plug here and you're going to line it up and push it in the bottom there. And then if you want to take it out, you just pull back on it. Make sure you pull this piece right in here down. They do give you plenty of cable, which I definitely love that. Now let's go ahead and take a look here. You got your on and off right on here. Now this is going to allow you to adjust the dim, and you got a little display here. It's not going to blink in person. It's just blinking just because of the camera recording. And you can up that in increments, as you can see. And when I say bright, it is like a spotlight. That's how bright this can go. You can quick press by pushing in and it will jump different percentages, which is really nice as well. Now, of course, you can adjust the color. You can take it down to 2700 or all the way up to 6500, and you can kind of see the color difference as we go through, how it changes from. And of course, for that you can also press as well. Now if we increase the brightness here, you'll be able to see it probably a little better. It's 2700. You're going to be able to see how bright it is versus this here. So you can drop it down, see the difference. And you got the color difference as well. Of course, let's show you with the, well, a lot of people call this the glazed lens. Basically, this lens kind of blocks the light a little bit. So that's at 1%. And we can show you guys the difference here. Hey guys, so now let's show you the difference. So this is without showing the light. So this is just natural light from our other lights. And now you can see on 1%. This is just 1% with the glazed lens. Let's bring this control modular over here. And now take a look at this, guys. 20%, 40%, 60, 80, and 100. Now, you might think, well, that's just crazy. How bright that is. So what's nice about this is if you have it really far away or at angles, it lights up. I mean, you guys can see how bright that is. We're going to drop that down to 1%. And now let's change the color tone. And now you guys can see like a warm color tone. Now the nice thing about this one is it's designed, you can have it up close on dim or really far away, way out of the way, and still be bright, almost like it's right up close. So you could be 20 feet away and have it on full blast on maximum, and it still look like it's right like this close to you, which is amazing. So you can get lighting from different angles in all different positions with this. So my friends, I love this. I can't wait. Once we fully build our studio, this is going to be amazing because we can have this far in the background at different angles and you can see the difference. So this is just on 1%, and you can see how 1% helps you. So overall, I love it.